Good day traders, it's Jason from Sureshotfx. Today I have got another forecast about NAS100 for the upcoming week. But before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with NAS100 market. We'll discuss how the market moves and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis on the current market structure on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, we can clearly notice that last week was a huge drop and market continued its bearish momentum with lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. We can clearly see that market took out this inducement and reacted from this rejection block. And afterwards, market gave us a break of structure and continues its bearish momentum. Last NFP pushed market heavily to downwards and market is currently pulling back and probably heading back to this order block. Now this is a strong high because market took out inducement and caused break of structure. We are aiming that as this Monday we are expecting a pullback to this order block and market may aim for this sell side liquidity, which is an old low. From here, if we hide our drawings and go to 4-hour time frame, what can we see? On 4-hour time frame, we can clearly notice that market is in a bearish phase, but it's a pullback of this huge bullish leg. You can clearly see that market changes character at this point, and this is a pullback and market may head back to create another high. But we are hoping that market may induce traders at the beginning of the week, may mitigate this order block on 4-hour and then head back to create another high. Let's head back to our early time frame, get our drawings back. What can we expect from NAS100 this week? As this Monday, we are expecting that market inducing traders to this order block. This is an order block because this was the last buy move before the massive sell. Market already took out this inducement and probably give us a reaction during the new work after tapping, or it may fill up this imbalance and give us a lower time frame market structure shift, and then you can look for sales targeting this sell side liquidity. But you also have to keep in mind that if market anyhow breaks this high, then there's a high potential that market may continue to go upwards. But until that happens, we'll continue to look for sell setups after mitigation of this order block or imbalance fill up. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. NAS100 bias is potentially bearish. We are looking for sell setups at the pullback. Let's see what happens in the market in this New York session or tomorrow. That's all for our NAS100 forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshotfx for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today and I'll see you in our next video.